everybody, I'm Steve, and today I'm going to show you how to shuck corn easily. Alright, so we have corn. With the husk still on, we have all of the silk still in there. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to soak it and we're going to get it wet. We want to make sure that all of the water goes into the silk and gets onto the corn. Alright, our corn is soaked, and now what we're going to do is we're going to microwave it. You can microwave it on 2 minutes if you're going to cook it afterwards, let's say on a grill. Or we're going to put it in today for 4 minutes, and it should cook the corn completely and help us slide the husks right off. Okay, be careful, corn will be hot. Maybe use a towel for this. Essentially what we're going to do is look for where the corn ends, and we're going to cut that back end off, going about a row up. And what we should be able to do is just squeeze that front end, and everything should slide right off. All right. There we go. A little bit of silk left on there. There you have it. It's an easy way to get corn out of the husk. Less mess. You don't have to worry about boiling water. And you don't really need a grill. Just be careful when you do this. The corn is hot, but I hope you use this, and I hope it was easy, and I hope you enjoy.